In question 5, we need to sketch the curve which has equation y equals x times x minus 1 times x minus 7. Well, to find out where it intersects the x-axis, we set y equal to 0, and in its factorised form it's easy to see that the values of x which satisfy this are x equals 0, x equals 1 and x equals 7. And so we obtain the points 0, 0, 1, 0 and 7, 0. We can use the graphical calculator to confirm these. Okay, if I select option 5 for the graph function menu and I key in the function x into x minus 1 times x minus 7 and I select execute and F6 to draw, I can now select F5 for G-solve and F1 to find the roots, which of course are where it crosses the x-axis. The first one is at 0, 0, and if I scroll to the right, the next one is at 1, 0, and finally 7, 0. So that confirms these 3 points. Okay, in part B, I need to use calculus to find the total area of the finite region bounded between x equals 1 and x equals 7, and the curve and the x-axis. Using calculus I obtained minus 144, but you'll notice that between 1 and 7 on the x-axis the curve lies beneath the x-axis, and that's the reason why I got a negative answer. Of course an area can never be negative, and so the correct answer is 144 square units. Let's confirm that on the calculator. F5 for G-solve, and if I use F6 to scroll to the integration menu, which is F3, selecting F1 to integrate the function with respect to x, it now asks me for my lower limit value, and in this case that's 1, and I select execute, and now it asks me for my upper limit value, so I key in 7 and execute, and you can see down here that I get an integral with a value of minus 144, and the shaded region is just here, which is below the x-axis. So again, the graphical calculator has confirmed my mathematics to be correct.